Morning guys, we're at the Gulf of Finland. Nakita natin sumisikat ang araw, while on the other side makita natin ang buwan. We're about on 60 degrees latitude north. Time check 0400 in the morning.